Hey friends, Scott here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2025 Bennington 20 S Series. This boat is loaded with standard features. I'm really excited to show you about them. This boat comes standard with things like integrated dock lights. This one also has the SPS Tri-Tune package on it. We've equipped it with a 115 horsepower Yamaha SHO engine. And of course you gotta have the ski tow bar to be able to pull the kids on the tubes and the knee boards. Wakeboards as well. Come around to the back here, we've got the rear entry boarding ladder. Inside this boat, you'll see we have a nice wraparound seating area. This boat does have a 10-foot long bimini top, so it'll give you lots of coverage from the sun. In fact, when it's opened up, the bimini top opens all the way up to here, so the captain and everybody underneath this rear L-shaped lounge will have shade. Check out the new console on this boat. I love the new steering wheel. We've got the Bluetooth Rockford Fosgate stereo. We've got a phone holder so you can put your GPS up there right on the dash mount. We have a out of the sun wireless charger down here. Also a place to play additional music besides the Bluetooth. Got a nice glove box located down below. And they conveniently place the throttle right alongside you for a very comfortable ergonomical seating position. This boat also has the new floor accent lighting. All the entry points will light up with floor LED lighting. The cockpit table is removable and can store underneath the rear sun pad. One of my favorite seating areas is one of these two huge lounges here in the bow. You can either face forward or with this nice radius back, have a good view talking to the captain, your other friends on the boat. And it's got a great spot tucked out of the sun here to put your cell phone, sunglasses, sunscreen, and a nice cold beverage. Really looking forward to showing you guys this boat here at MarineMax in Greenville. Please come see us.